Hello good people, welcome back to this channel. In case you are new here, my name is Lucy Chege. I am a practicing nutritionist, and here it's all about talking all matters nutrition and health, and at the same time we get to prepare healthy recipes. And today is not different. Today we are going to make something for weight gain. I think nimeongea sana about the weight loss. Na watu wananiuliza, Lucy, what about us that want to gain weight? So today we're going to prepare something, a recipe that can help you, that you can incorporate in your daily diet, and maybe you can add some pounds. But before that, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you don't watch this video kama uja subscribe and hit on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a healthy recipe, you get notified. So let's go direct to our ingredients. So this is what we have. We have some jumbo oats. We have a glass of milk. We have peanut butter. We have some chia seeds, and we have some ripe banana. That's what we are going to use for today. And so I think we can start preparing them. One of the things I love about the oats, like hata ukajasoma, it's always good to read the nutritional value, ile kitu unanunua what it has. Like hapo ukisoma, like it lowers the cholesterol because it is high in fiber. And fiber, what it does to its role in cholesterol is to bind the serum cholesterol. Kwa hivyo unapata kama you are consuming most of the foods that are high in fiber, ina bind to the serum cholesterol na ina help in excretion. Kwa hivyo oats ni poa kama your cholesterol levels are high. And also, like nimesema, we have talked about the high in soluble fiber, and also it's suitable for vegetarians. Vegetarian because ukisoma hapa kwa the nutrition information, you can see the protein. It's high in protein. Iko 12 per 100 grams. So it's suitable for vegetarian. Kama we ni mtu vegetarian, mtu hukuli nyama, all those strict vegetarians, hukuli mayai, you can consider having oats in your daily diet so that you can make sure that your protein intake they are met. So oats, good for vegetarians, good for people who have high cholesterol levels, and it's very high in fiber, meaning hata kama uko na constipation, you can consider having oats. So we are going to start with preparing our oats. Let's cut. Just going to use kidogo. I think that's about 250. But you're not going to blend them directly. You are going to soak them for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm going to transfer them here and add in some lukewarm water. Kidogo too, we make sure we soak them. And add in some chia seeds. Chia seeds, good source of essential fatty acids, and also you know them as a good source of omega fatty acids. That's about a tablespoon. That should be enough. Can add in some more water. Now you're going to let the chia seeds and the oats to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then we come back after that. So let me see you after the 15-20 minutes. And we are back after the 20 minutes. As you can see, our oats are well soaked. Hadi maji imeisha. Yo maji yote yenye tulikuwa tumeweka, it's all soaked, imeisha. And now I'm going to transfer them into a blender. Then we add the rest of the ingredients. add them here. But also it's important to note that in weight gain, the same way watu wa weight loss wanaenda kwa gym, the same should be for the weight gain. If you want to gain weight, gym pia exercise should be part of your routine, because you want to gain muscles, and when you gain muscles, by that it's easier to gain weight. Kwa hivyo usiseme tu ni kukula. Also you need to gain muscles. So exercise with such diet can help you greatly if you are looking forward to gaining weight. I think now we can add some milk. And this is whole milk. Whole milk meaning it has 3% of the fat content. And milk, good source of protein. I think that should be enough. Then right now we can add in some bananas. And now we can add our peanut butter. But it's very much optional. If you're allergic to peanut, you can add maybe groundnuts ama avocado if you're allergic to peanut. You can do flaxseed, groundnuts, all those, any nut. I'm just going to add a tablespoon of it. That should be enough. And that's our smoothie. Let's see what we have. That's what we have, and this is our oats banana smoothie. Very easy to make, and like I said, you can incorporate it in your daily diet plus exercise. You should be able to see some changes in about, usikunywe leo then tomorrow you are weighing. Give it at least 2 to 3 months, then after a period of 3 months you can see changes. So this is what we have, our oats smoothie. Let me get to know what you think on the comment section, and also suggest ni recipe gani mnataka kuona in this channel. Let me get some suggestions in the comment section, and also subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload such videos you get notified. Until next time.